Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I welcome the students of 7th primary in my today's video lecture, which I have prepared from their science text. It is chapter number 1st, nutrition in plants. Dear students, as you know that yesterday we started this lesson in which we go through some of the headings of this lesson, that is nutrition, definition of the nutrition, definition of the food, what are the components of the food, and what are the nutrients present in the food. Today we will go through the second topic of this chapter, the mode of nutrition in plants. How nutrition is done in plants. What is the way by which this nutrition is done in plants? Dear students, as you know that plants can manufacture their own food. Plants, that is why they are also called as autotrophs. For manufacturing their own food, they need some raw material which they capture from their surroundings. Say for example, water, carbon dioxide, and minerals. Water, they get it from the soil through roots. Carbon dioxide, they get it from the atmosphere, and minerals also from the soil through roots. These are the raw materials present in their surroundings. Dear students, in addition to this, they need sunlight and chlorophyll as well. Sunlight get from the ultimate source of energy, that is sun, and the chlorophyll which is present in their leaves, by virtue of which the color of the leaves becomes green. When these materials mix up, they give a product which we call as food, or glucose C6H12O6. यहाँ पे दिया गया है carbon dioxide, 6 times carbon dioxide plus 6 times water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives C6H12O6 plus oxygen. This C6H12O6 is what we call glucose, is the food. So these plants, when we say they can manufacture their own food, then they are called as autotrophs. Autotrophs, and the nutrition which takes place in these autotrophs is called as autotrophic nutrition. Because of this ability, because of this capacity, they are also called as primary producers of food. Who are called primary producers of food? These plants are called as primary producers of food, because all other living organisms other than plants cannot manufacture their own food. They directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. Other living organisms include humans, animals, wild animals, domestic animals. I can say other than plants include all the animals. They are called as heterotrophs, or the organisms, or the living organisms who cannot manufacture their own food. They depend for their food on green plants. And the nutrition and the mode of nutrition which takes place in these animals, in these heterotrophs, is called as heterotrophic nutrition. And the animals and the organisms are called as heterotrophs. And the mode of nutrition which takes place in these heterotrophs is called as heterotrophic nutrition. Once again, I will repeat, autotrophs are those living organisms which manufacture their own food with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, water, etc. and are also called as primary producers of food. And the heterotrophs are the organisms which cannot manufacture their own food by themselves. They depend for their food on these autotrophs, and the nutrition which takes place in these heterotrophs is called as heterotrophic nutrition, and these are called as heterotrophs. So this nutrition is mainly divided into two types or categories: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. This autotrophic nutrition takes place in green plants, producers of food. Heterotrophic nutrition takes place in all animals including man and non-green plants. So this was all for today. Thank you.